Hello everyone, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to explain group by, having, and order by in SQL. So let's flip to the SQL Server Management System and I will show you what is group by, having, and order by. So basically, group by clause is used to group like group to the particular like if suppose I have a example, suppose I have an employee table and another table we have a department, right? So I want to calculate the data or salary of highest salary of the each department. So we have a department HR, accountant, and developer. So HR department is the one group, accountant is the one group, and developer is the one group. So the group by clause or is group to all the departments and get the data based on it, right? So in group by clause must be use aggregate functions over there. I will just show you in the example. So we have already created an employee table, and in employee table select, we have two table, select star from emp. So here you can see employee data, name, address, phone, salary, and another table is department. Here you can see department have id, department name, and employee id. Now I use a group by clause over there. So I have already create a query, but I will show you in that above query, so you can see the difference. Here you can see that I use inner join to the department name and tables employee and department. I get all the salary, name, and department. So here you can see that based on the inner join we populate the six record: salary, employee name, and department. So here you can see that HR department have two employee, developer department have two employee, accountant only, and manager is only. So now I'm going to use based on the department. So we group the department together and get the highest salary of each department, right? Highest salary of each department. So HR we have two, 130, 132. So I need to calculate uh, highest salary of each department. So here you can see that. So in group by class we must need to aggregate functions. So I use aggregate functions in salary and use department and group by department. So once you get that query, so here you can see that you get the highest salary of each department, right? And in this I'm going to use order by clause. So if you need to order by salary, so by default here you can see that by default this is uh, 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 so this is like null 130. This is ascending order. By default it's ascending order. So if we use order by descending, and here you can see that, so it's above. And if you use by default it's ascending, but asc is the key to use ascendings. Here you can see that, right? So now I am going to use having clause, right? So I want to count a salary of each department, like I use account aggregate functions. and see his department. Here we already display the data. HR have 2 employee and a developer 2 employee, right? And I want to use having count salary greater than 1. So here you can see that only 2 records which have a department which have maximum 2 employee, or either if the maximum uh, salary max salary, right? So here you can see that it removed the null record and showing if the salary is greater than 150, then you fetch the record. So basically having clause is used to filter the group by records, right? And where record, and one more questions should be asked, that what is difference between where and having clause. So where clause is used to filter normally a table record, like select a star from table where we need to filter this particular record. But group by clause is used, but having clause is used with group by clause, and it filter the only group data, right? So this is the difference. So that's it from this video as of now. So if you have any questions or query, so please put on the comment box and I will reply the same. So thank you. Have a nice day.